What do you got there? Is that where the money's going? You're hoarding it.
Yes, I found it in my purse.
It's amazing what you find inside a woman's purse these days. How many dollars are there, Missy? $18. What do you think about that? Hey, you guys? How are you guys enjoying Hilton Head? Are you enjoying Hilton Head? Hey? So yesterday when we went for breakfast, a fridge magnet from Hilton Head, so let's go put it on our fridge. All right, so we got our collection of fridge magnets here. Here's the one the other night from the Stagecoach RV Park where we were in St. Augustine. We didn't film that, but it was a great little overnight stay in St. Augustine. All the other ones, when we were in Fort Myers Beach, Siesta Key, Toby's Clown Museum, Corvette Museum, all these other videos you can find on our YouTube channel, by the way. Comment, like, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and put our brand new Hilton Head Island fridge magnet on the fridge. There you go. Now the memory is there for the rest of our lives. Our fridge magnet from Hilton Head Island. I'm sure it won't be the last one from this area. Hey everyone, this is Stuart with 3 Dogs and RV, and today we're getting the new sunshade system put onto our Cornerstone from the folks at the RV Sunshade Co. Here's all their phone numbers, information right behind me here. And we're gonna get the new window coverings put on, and side coverings, and tire coverings, and all the good stuff to cut down the heat. And I think this is a must-have for everybody who RVs in the Sun State, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, Texas, all the places where it gets really, really hot. They claim it can cut down the temperature by 30%, I think it was. They're starting to do the work right now, and we'll see how it goes. Now, out of respect, they did not want to be filmed or show any of their equipment. So we're gonna honor that request and just show you before and after, and then how you can get in contact with them if you are interested in getting this great solution put on your rig. Sammy's barking at the RV shade guy. Now, what are you doing? All right, so pardon the noisy chihuahua. He barks at everything going on around us. So Mike's here, got from the RV Sunshade group putting the side panel on. He doesn't like to be on camera, so I'm not going to show him on camera. So he's getting it on, and his partner and spouse is getting the other piece ready to go. She looks like she's cutting them off. He's putting them on. All right, so we're getting sunshade put on all the tires. So how it works here is you'll notice that they put a rivet into the frame of the coach, one at the top and one at the bottom, and then the screen goes basically across the tires. Another basically covers the tires, and they did the same on the front tires and all the windows. All right, so we got it on the door and the side window here now. It looks really, really sharp. And let's get a close-up of this material too. So you can see it's a really fine quality covering too, and if you go inside you can see right out of it too with the plastic. Yeah, and it snaps on like nice and nicely fitted, nice finish on it, sewing, sewed right on there. Looks really sharp. Let's go inside and have a look from the inside out. So yeah, now we're inside the coach looking out, and you can see that you can still see out fine from the inside. You can't see in the coach at all from the outside. So that's pretty slick. You can see there's the patio out there. Now you can tell there's a coating on it, because here's the front, obviously. There's nothing here on the front, but we'll see the difference here in a second once they get the front covering on. All right, so King Archie here is keeping an eye on Mike and Vanessa from the RV Shade Company doing their thing. Now we're getting the covering put on the front here now. You can see looks really, really sharp, really good. All right, so we got the driver's side on, we got the windshield on. I showed you what it looks like from the inside already. You can tell there's a shade on it, but you see out great. And we also got the mirror covers on now to protect the mirrors as well. So yeah, it looks really, really sharp. All right, everyone, we got our RV shades on, and looks very, very good. Let's go do one final walk around the entire coach and show you all the stuff that Mike and Vanessa did for us today to give us these awesome, cool RV sunshades. All right, so you can see we got our mirrors all protected now. We got the nice front screen on. Wipers have got their protection as well. And you see that the shade here at the front, that goes all around the car here, is wrapped around the whole front end of the front cap here. And just a reminder, we've got these cool little buttons here that just snap on and snap off. Let's see if I can put it back on with one hand here. See how easy that is to do. Okay, I shouldn't have did that now. I took it off. let's get it snapped back on. There we go. That's as easy as to get it on there. Got the front one here on the driver's side. Got the tires all protected. So I come around here on this side past the slide over past the water. You can see here we have our cover on the tag axle back here. The guys are working on fixing a plumbing issue down here. We had a bit of a leak in the pipe earlier today for the irrigation system here, so they're fixing that. But yeah, you see it's all wrapped around here. If I walk around the back end of the coach, you can see here that we've got all the covers on this side too. And oh, there's Spooky and Samuel here. He's around here somewhere. So there we go, all taken care of. All right, so I want to thank Mike and Vanessa. I'll put their business card picture right here, right up there, so you can see them. If you're looking for some cool sun protection for your RV, here's the RV Sunshade Co. They are with an Orlando phone number, 407-280-2760, 407-280-2760. Check them out online at the RVSunshade.co. So yeah, I'll post pictures of these flyers here and here. Thanks for tuning in to 3 Dogs in an RV, and I hope you have a great day. And give these guys a call if you want a really good protection from the sun and prolong the life of your tires and cool down your coach at the same time. So everyone, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below.